so crazy.
Settle down.
You settle down. What'd you say?
Settle down.
You settle down, silly. Look at you getting all worked up. That's a whole bunch of wood.
No.
Yeah. I'm afraid so. You did what? Nope, you don't jump on that, huh?
No.
That might hurt, huh?
Yeah.
That's just silly.
Got you.
Ah! What if I get you?
Wow.
What is it?
Mailbox.
Meteor bats.
Mailbox.
What's a meteor bat? Oh, mailbox. Is there anything in it? Let's go check and see if